This wood is covered in ice and is soaking wet. It's going to be really hard to light, so I'm splitting it in the hopes that it'll burn a little bit better. Just got to be real careful not to drop it in the snow. Well, the fire's barely going and it's heating up quite nicely in here, making my pants steam. That's why everyone calls me Hot Pants. Nobody calls me that. All this wood is wet and cold, so we're gonna put it around the stove to dry it out before we throw it in. I brought a little luxury item here. Laying in that snow is getting my legs so cold. This is nice. Oh. You can really feel the temperature difference out here. Melting snow is such a pain. It'll probably take me 45 minutes to get this snow melted and up to a boil.